go.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I cannot tell you how many times I have filmed this intro because I am so excited for today's video and I keep getting tongue-tied because I cannot wait to announce what I'm going to announce in this video. But anyways, today we are going to be doing a holiday gift guide and we are going to be talking all things brushes. So brush sets, brush kits, brush accessories, some sponges, just a whole wrap up of brushes. Around this time of the year, I feel like so many people are shopping and trying to find the perfect gift for like friends and families. And I absolutely love doing holiday gift guides. And I think especially for someone that is super into makeup or just starting out for makeup or just really needs some nice brushes, that this would be a really great gift. And also Moda is sponsoring today's video, which one, I was excited to announce, but on top of that, I was actually selected to be the Moda Maven of the Month for December. So not only are we going to be talking about all these amazing brushes, but they also offered a coupon code for me for 20% off, and it is valid the entire month of December. So if you pick up some sets for like friends and family, and then after the holidays, you want to splurge and get some for you as well, there's time because the code will work the entire month. But I'm very excited. I have so many different sets to talk to you guys about. So let's go ahead and dive in. Oh, and also everything will be listed down below in the description bar, like the coupon code, the links, and I'll try to put the brush sets in order so it's easier for you guys. Okay, I think I'm done rambling, so let's dive in. And again, thank you so much to Moda for sponsoring today's video and for selecting me as the Moda Maven of the Month. I am so honored. And you know, the great thing about Moda is that they have really high quality brushes, but at a super affordable price. And I'm so excited to share these sets with you guys. Okay, now let's dive in. So the set that I want to share with you guys is my favorite brush set. And this is actually a new brush set. This is one of the sets that came out, I think, for the holidays. And it is just gorgeous. They have 3 different sets, and this one is the rose gold set. Oh, and I didn't even tell you guys the best part about this video. Every single set that I show will be under $50. And again, with the coupon code, you can get it even less. So this is what the little box looks like whenever you purchase this set. It comes in a box like this. And then here are the brushes. As you can see, they've been getting some love. And I'll insert some video clips of me actually using these today. So the thing I love about this set is that not only are you getting the brushes, but you're getting a really cute little brush holder that you can set on your vanity. And one thing I personally like to do is rotate brushes in and out of my cups after I use them. So I'll start with some like in a clean cup, and once I use them, I'll put them to the side like that. So this set comes with 5 different brushes. Again, it's $49, and I just love these brushes so much. They're so pretty. And again, the case is just gorgeous. So the very first brush is the round powder brush. Now you guys, the bristles on this brush are so soft and they're actually pretty dense. It is the perfect brush for just going in and applying some powder, or at the end of makeup application after I have my like contour and blush and everything done. Sometimes I'll just sweep a big powder brush over my face just to have everything blended out and smooth. But again, this is the powder brush, and this is the first brush that you get in the set. The next brush is the angled kabuki brush, and this is the brush that I love to contour with. This is a super dense angled brush, and so what I like to do is I actually like to go up into the hollows of my cheek and place my bronzer and then really buff it out. You can really buff out the product and make it look like a nice bronzer, or if you want to, you could even create like a sharper look by putting it on the side right here, just to create that definition with your makeup. And again, this is the angled kabuki. Then we have the accentuate, and this one is perfect for going up underneath your eyes to do like a light powder. I used a banana powder today and I went in a little bit heavy with it, but again, this is like the perfect brush to do that. You can also double up and use it as a highlighting brush if you want to get a nice highlight on your cheekbones or your nose or on your cupid's bow. So I like this brush because it can do a couple different things and it's super versatile. Okay, next we have the angled shader brush, and I actually like to go in and just kind of like stamp the brush where I want my darker inner corner shadow. And again, this is the angle shader. And the very last brush is the smudger. What I like to do with this one is go up underneath my eye for my lower lash line eyeshadow. You guys know, I like never ever use eyeliner up underneath my eye. I always go in with eyeshadow. I think it looks a lot more natural and I feel like it looks a lot better than just like a really heavy eyeliner. So I'll use the smudger brush to go underneath my eye with the eyeshadow. And again, that is the Moda Metals 6-piece full face kit. Now they have this one. I have one that is gold and then they also have a silver one as well. And they all have brushes that are kind of similar, but still different at the same time. So really you could probably get all 3 of the sets and you'd be able to create so many different looks. But this one by far has been one of my favorite sets from Moda because I love like the bling and like the diamonds and the rose gold. I just think it's so pretty and so holiday. So definitely check this one out. Okay, the very next set is called the Moda Totally Electric set. And as you can see, it actually comes with a really nice pouch. So this one's really great for on the go and it's all things eyes. I actually used some of these brushes today for my look. As you can see, they're super fun and colorful. And I don't know, I really like the handles and just how they feel. So the very first brush is the crease brush. And this one's gonna be really good to apply your all over eyeshadow and just kind of buff out your crease color. Then we have the SM shader brush. This one's really good to like pack on a color on your lid. We have a detail brush, which would be another one that would be really nice to smoke out the lower lash line. We have the fine liner brush, which you can actually use with like a gel or a liquid liner. And that way you can get a super sharp wing. We have the brow groomer, which is actually 2 sides. So you have the top side, which you can use for your brows for the product. And then the back side you can use to spoolie through your brows and even like disperse the product if need be and kind of like set them in place. And then the very last one is like one of my favorites. This one is so unique because as you guys know, when you use glitter, it is so hard to get a brush that you can actually pack on the product. Most of the time I'm like sitting like this trying to put product on my eyes. I think it's because of like the material on it. It's super easy to pack on like metallic or glitter eyeshadow. So you just kind of place it in the glitter and then you can push the product down. And that's what I used actually today to apply my lid color. So again, that's the Totally Electric set and you do get this little pouch as well. The very next set is the Moda Pro 4-piece face perfecting kit. I actually did a video with this, using this on my entire face. I use it for foundation, powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, lips. The only thing I didn't use it on was my eyeshadow and it created like a whole entire like full face look. Honestly, during the week, I don't even wear eyeshadow, so this set's really great to just kind of grab it and go and do your makeup super fast. You get the 801, 2, 3, and 4 brush in this kit, and these kind of brushes are also really great for cream products, and I feel like they use a lot less than like normal brushes. And that again is the 4-piece face perfecting kit. Should have given you guys a close-up of some of these sets, but here's this one right here, and again, I'll try to leave the video link down below. The very next set, oh my gosh, this one is so freaking pretty. Like, I have to take it out for you guys. This is the Moda Mythical set, and it's a 5-piece amethyst kit. So you get this beautiful holographic case. I love that a lot of the sets also come with the carrying cases, which is really good. And again, a really great bang for your buck. And wait till y'all see these brushes. I just don't even know if like on camera is going to do them justice. They just look like beautiful crystals on the bottom of the handles. Like, look how pretty this is. I could only imagine when I was younger, like having these in my stocking would have been such a cool thing because they're so beautiful. Okay, so this set, again, it comes with 4 different brushes. You have a powder brush, you have an angle brush, you have a crease brush, and then a medium shader brush. So really, really pretty. And then they also have like the purple brushes, which I think are super cute too. The very next set that we have is the Moda Moi set. And this one actually comes with like a little lip pouch and it has like a little zipper on it. And you can put all of your brushes in here. And then for this one, you get a buffer brush, but you also could really use this for all of your powder too, or like a powder foundation because it's pretty dense. So you can really pack on the product. Then you have a highlight brush. You have an angle shader brush like what was in the very first set that I showed. And then you have a precision lip brush. I feel like the kit would have not been complete without this brush, especially with the little lip pouch that it comes with. So this set, again, is super cute. Okay, another really fun set is a Moda Mythical, and this is the 6-piece Frozen Flight Kit. So in this set, you do get the holographic pouch to put all the brushes in. And these brushes are actually a little bit longer than some of the ones that I've shown. I just love the texture of these handles, and I love the little like blue beads in them too. and the ombre. They're just so pretty. So this is a powder brush, multi-purpose. So again, you can use it for like a contour, bronzer, all over powder. Then we have a precision contour brush. Another thing I love to use this kind of brush for is whenever I do my contour, and I can actually go in with some really thick amounts of powder and just kind of stamp this underneath my cheek. That way I can really chisel out my contour line. And then that way you don't have to like go and use a beauty sponge, because sometimes I get a little bit lazy and I don't like having to go all the way to the sink to wet my beauty sponge. So this is like the best of both worlds. Then we have a highlight and glow brush. So you can do like your cheek highlight, nose, bridge of your nose, Cupid's bow, and anywhere else that you want to highlight. Then this one is the smoky eye brush, which I think is so appropriate for the name because it's really great to smoke out your lower lash line. This one is so soft too. I think sometimes I have gotten brushes before that are like kind of hard, and this one's really soft. You don't want anything underneath your eye that's going to like really tug and pull at your skin, so having a soft one's really important. And then we have the shader brush to kind of shade in your eyeshadow. So again, that is the Moda Mythical 6-piece set. This one is the Moda Mythical 6-piece Celestial Blue Travel Kit. Now the great thing about this one is it's really great for traveling. It actually comes with a travel case. So here's what this looks like. Super cute, right? Has a Velcro opening. And then here's what the inside looks like. So you have a powder brush. You have a complexion brush. You have a highlight and glow brush. You have a crease brush. And last but not least, you have an eye shader. I love the ombres in here. Now here's what they look like in the set. All you have to do is actually fold this down like so. You're actually going to clip and pull this string right here until it goes to the top. And then voila, you have it, and you can set it like that. And you're good to go for traveling. You can have it out and just pull the brushes out. Such a freaking cute set. And for somebody that's like always on the go, or like for someone who works more than one job and like has to touch up their makeup throughout the day, that is so great because it's going to keep all the products nice and neat in your purse where they're not like touching everything. And then they're going to have products for their face and eyes and everything on the go. So that is a great set. Again, this is what the box looks like. It is the Moda Mythical Celestial Blue Travel Kit. And again, everything's going to be linked down below in the description bar for you guys. Now, the last two sets I'm going to go through a little bit quicker, but this is the Moda Mythical 5-piece Perfecting Pixie Kit. This set comes with a powder, a highlight, a precision angle, a detail brush, and one of the holographic zip cases. And then this is the 4-piece Iconic Glow set. So this one comes with a highlight brush, a sculpt brush, a glow brush, and a detail brush. And I love that all the kits have like super essentials too on like what you need for like a day-to-day face. Okay, so again, all of those brush sets, they're going to be under $50, which is so awesome. And then I wanted to talk about some other like brushes that you can get individually or like in a 2 or 3-piece kit. Because for me around the holidays, I also love doing like stockings for people. I think that's so fun. I know one year I did like a makeup stocking for one of my friends, and I had like brushes and like some lipsticks and lip glosses, and I just thought it was cute. So these items I think would be super great for like stocking stuffers or even gifts, or like when you play like the exchange games where you have to get like a certain amount of a gift. I don't know, I just think it would be so cute. I love this. This is a pink brush. It is one of the mythical brushes, and again, this is like one of my favorite styles. I think it's so cool. So this is the Rose Quartz Angle Blender. Then we have a couple different of the Moda Pros. So you have a crease brush, a triad eye brush, and then you also have a blend brush. So what I do sometimes is I'll buy like a brush kit, and if there's a brush that I think would be really great to go along with it, like maybe it's a set that doesn't have a highlight brush, then you could get just like a brush that you think would go in that kit, which is why I think the individual ones are so great too. And then we also have the Magic Eye Kit, which is actually 2 brushes, but you get 3 different brushes technically. So you have a duo-sided brush with basically a crease and a smoky eye, and then the smudger brush. And this is the Easy Glam Trio. So for this one, it's the Bold Brows. So you get the line and groomer brush. So you have like a spoolie on one end, and then you have the brush to do your brows. You have a brush to do concealer, because I always go up underneath my brows with concealer. And then the precision angle, which I'll normally use to kind of blend that out so it's not so harsh looking. This one's really great for someone that's just now getting into brows. Y'all, I did not do my brows for so long, and I look back at pictures thinking, what was I thinking? So there are those. And then the last two things that I wanted to show you guys are kind of just like little accessory things that you can get. So this is the Moda Spa Prep and Glow Kit. I think this is so awesome. So this is going to be for your skincare. So we have an exfoliation, a cleanse, and a moisturizer brush. And sometimes, I'll be honest, with my moisturizer, I don't always love putting it on with my hands. So I like having a brush that's a little bit more thick to apply it, and then I feel like it just blends out easier. And then the very last kit I want to show you guys is the sponge kit. So this is the Magic Sponges 4-pack Pro Variety. You get 2 of their like bigger sponges and 2 mini ones. Normally I'll do my foundation with the bigger sponges and then my concealer with the smaller ones, or normally I'll just use a big one for all over my face. But I do think this kit's a really great value, and it would go along great with any of the brush sets. So, whoo! So many brush sets. I was so excited again to do this video for you guys because it is hard finding really good quality brushes at an affordable price, but I really do believe that Moda does that, and I've used a ton of their brushes and I've always had really great results with using them. Again, I do want to thank Moda for sponsoring today's video, and I'm so excited to be the Moda Maven of the month. So you guys will probably see some more posts, and again, make sure to check out the discount code. I'll leave it below, but I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.